Hi everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of sweet potatoes. These versatile, nutritious, and incredibly easy to prepare vegetables are a fantastic addition to any meal. Throughout this tutorial, we'll cover everything from selecting the perfect sweet potato to various preparation methods, different cooking techniques, and finally, some delicious serving tips. Get ready to transform this humble root vegetable into a culinary delight. First, let's talk about selection. When choosing sweet potatoes, look for ones that are firm to the touch and have smooth skin, free from any blemishes, sprouts, or soft spots. These are indicators of freshness and quality. For baking, orange fleshed varieties like Beauregard or Jewel are often the sweetest and most popular choice, offering a rich, creamy texture when cooked. Avoid any potatoes that feel overly soft or have significant green areas. Now, onto preparation. Always start by washing your sweet potatoes thoroughly under cool running water. Use a vegetable brush to gently scrub away any dirt or debris from the skin, ensuring they are perfectly clean. You can choose to peel your sweet potatoes if desired, especially for mashing or purees, but the skin is also packed with nutrients and can be left on for baking or roasting. If peeling, use a sharp vegetable peeler for efficiency. Once clean, you can cut your sweet potatoes into various shapes depending on your recipe. Think about cutting them into uniform fries, small cubes for roasting, or simply having them for baking. Uniformity helps with even cooking. Our first cooking method is baking, a classic and incredibly simple way to enjoy sweet potatoes. For a whole-baked sweet potato, start by piercing the skin several times with a fork. This allows steam to escape during cooking. Next, lightly rub the potato with a little olive oil and a pinch of salt. This helps the skin crisp up and enhances the flavor. Place it directly on a baking sheet or oven rack. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 60 minutes or until it's fork tender. The exact time will depend on the size of your sweet potato. You'll know it's done when it feels soft when squeezed. Once baked, carefully slice it open and add your favorite toppings. A perfectly baked sweet potato is delicious plain, or you can get creative with butter, cinnamon, brown sugar, or even savory options. For a different texture, let's explore boiling and mashing. This method is perfect for creating creamy side dishes. Begin by peeling your sweet potatoes and cutting them into uniform chunks, about 1 to 2 inches in size. Place the chunks in a pot and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, or until the sweet potato chunks are very tender when pierced with a fork. Drain the cooked sweet potatoes thoroughly. Return them to the pot, and it's time to mash. Add butter, a splash of milk or cream, salt, and a touch of cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm, comforting flavor. Mash until smooth and creamy, or leave a few lumps for a more rustic texture. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. This makes a fantastic side dish for any meal. Finally, for a fun and crispy option, let's make sweet potato fries. Start by cutting your peeled sweet potatoes into uniform fry shapes. Aim for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick for optimal crispiness. Toss the cut fries in a bowl with a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil, ensuring they are all lightly coated. Then, sprinkle with your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, paprika, or garlic powder. You can either air fry them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through, or bake them on a single layer on a baking sheet at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway. Bake or air fry until they are golden brown and crispy. These make a delicious and healthier alternative to traditional fries, perfect as a snack or a side. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile for serving. Enjoy baked sweet potatoes with a dollop of sour cream and chives, or a sprinkle of toasted pecans and marshmallows for a sweeter treat. Mashed sweet potatoes are a comforting side for roasted meats or poultry, while sweet potato fries are a fantastic snack on their own or paired with your favorite dipping sauce. The possibilities are endless. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making them great for meal prep. Reheat gently in the microwave or oven. We hope this tutorial inspires you to try making delicious sweet potatoes at home. They're truly a superfood that's both tasty and good for you. Give these recipes a try tonight. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious cooking guides. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!